What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and tonight we're back out at F-Boy Friday, y'all's favorite series on the channel. We're at Dynamic Fitness. First spot got busted already, so we are on spot 2 from the get-go. So everyone's rolling up right now. We're gonna get burnouts, get swinging it. Let's go. Got a 6 Supra, one of our boys. I think he just got a 2-step put in, so we'll see if he'll do it for us. That hurt again, Daniel. That hurt my face. For those of you that say this isn't a family event, I've disproved you right there. The whole family's here. He's mad.
We don't do racket. This is our home meet. We don't do stupid shit. We don't want to get kicked out of here. This is our spot, not y'all's.
Huh. He says otherwise. This guy just drove in the mud. This guy's mad. Hey, calm down, guys.
Niggas not worried about that at all.
Burn out.
Burn out on this ass, bro. Burn out on this.
Burn out. 7.
Oh my god.
I'll be like, you told him to do it. Snitch just can't.
I think I can get that equipment right now.
What is this car? Woo! In the back! No burn. It's in the grass. He's going in the grass.
Jump out that car.
He's gonna run us over! It's a Mustang! We're in the splash zone! We're in the splash zone! It's like SeaWorld! Dude, this dude is mad, bro. That guy is mad as a hornet.
You got dirt on that.
Oh my god. That dude is mad. Let's see how this unfolds.
That truck got some power in it, man.
Yeah! Oh, he's got fireworks in the grass! Oh! Woohoo! Yeah! GTR.
What? I wonder what he's trying to accomplish. Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do.
Launch control is brake all the way down, gas all the way down. Yes, ma'am.
What just happened? You see him droop around the corner?
Oh, the cops. Everybody run! They're gonna arrest everybody! Alright, to the next spot. HPD pulling up. Running us off. Our shenanigans have been postponed. Wait, what just happened?
A little big.
What is happening? Wait, what?
No,
He got stuck in the... Oh no!
It needs a truck. Just leave that shit.
Hey, we need a truck out here!
Right there. Leave that shit. Pull him out. Use the strap. Hey, go.
We gotta get it pulled out!
Operation Rescue.
We got a truck rescue system coming in. Look, we got big trucks coming in now. Oh! Yeah! Woohoo! Hey! Y'all are legends, thank you! Swing it out of here! We're at spot 2 now for us. Got the boys out here already doing donuts.
I didn't think that guy would.
Sick. I need to get one of those lights for my camera. This guy's got his girlfriend hanging on the roof. Relationship goals. Oh, he stalled out. So dumb. Ouch. Yeah. I knew it was gonna happen.
Yeah, look away and run on the back comes over here.
Bro, it's like
I'm not trying to get.
That's a big old truck. What's happening? The Mustang's on fire.
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Alright, fire department's here, ambulance is here.
Hey, put your phones down and make fucking room!
Look at that.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
Alright, that it marks the end to a tragic night of love and loss. RIP that Mustang. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you did like the video, hit the like button. Every like goes for a prayer for that fallen Mustang. New Sinclair Photos merch, top of the description. Go get you some.
You need to exit the parking lot.
We need to exit the parking lot. Open the car, Mason. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video.